I'm thinking this is going to be the first video of its kind. We're on here on YouTube. We typed in packet stream scam. Plain and simple. Everything else, just packet stream review, easy passive money, full guide, start earning, tech hustler. We know him. We've talked about him. We've talked with him. But you scroll through here and it's all positives about packet stream. Here's one, outstanding passive scam app. That's probably something to take a look at. 7 days ago, 329 reviews. That's one of the first that we see. Everything else has been packet stream a year ago, packet stream a year ago, full review, full review. All these videos have one example of a cash out, or not even an example of a cash out, just what they, are earning. And then of course we have here our first video, which is packet stream payout proof, and they actually did pay out my very first payout of $15. So we have the one video here from 7 days ago, and then of course I'm sure if we watch that video, which we're not gonna do it here on the channel, but we go back to the packet stream review, and when we got into the platform, we got in at 4.1 out of 5 on the reviews, and now we're sitting at 3.5, and all the reviews are consistently the same. They stopped after earnings, they stopped after withdrawals, they stopped after withdrawals, they stopped after withdrawals, so on and so forth. So today we're gonna go over what I did. I did get my account back. I'll show you guys here, but there's still a lot of issues and red flags, and I will give some advice on what we can do to get in touch with packet stream. So stay tuned.
Nerdy dude stuff.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about passive income here at Nerdy Dude Stuff. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on that bell notification, and liking this video. No beer of the day. We are actually sitting in the middle of a hurricane. There's currently, it's a really light storm now, but it is a hurricane. It was a hurricane. It's now down to a tropical depression, but we did get hit by it. So we're sitting in the middle of Hurricane Nicole. Stores are open, but I went to stop by my local liquor store and it was not, because I wanted to get some beer for the video, and unfortunately, so none of that today, because we are hunkered down and don't have anything. Now, today's video, man, I was really excited for this platform, and the fortunate part of this platform is there was zero investment involved, because the packet stream, we were able to link up to a Juicy D miner. Now, if you bought a Juicy D miner just on the hopes of earning with packet stream and you're getting into the similar issues that I've gone through, then I'm very sorry, but the good news is that the Juicy D miner has multiple other functions other than packet stream. Packet stream just seemed to be really, really good, and it might have been too good to be true. We did manage to do one cash out. We showed that on video, and then we got the $15.61 or whatever it was sent to our PayPal. We went another week and we went to cash out $27 and some change, or $25 and some change, and immediately got hit with an account ban. Well, they say suspended. Now, I'm in the Discord and I see a lot of you guys saying the same thing. I did my withdraw and now I'm stuck on the error screen or a white screen and I can't access the dashboard of packet stream. So we're going to go over and look at everything that happened today on screen and what I'm sitting here looking at as well. We do have a little bit of earnings that we can cash out, but we haven't even seen our cash out from last week. And so we'll see if this triggers another ban. I really had high hopes for this platform. I'm really hoping that this isn't the only video that talks about the shenanigans and the shitfuckery that this platform is doing, but at least at the end of the day, we didn't put any investment into it. I know you guys didn't put any investment into it other than your time and clicking on the referral link that was in the description of these videos. So with that said, let's get this video shown on screen. We're going to send it to packet stream at the end of this and see what's up. All right, we've got proof that we have one device. I'm sure you guys have proof that you have one device, and we're just going to go from there. All right, so let's jump over to the computer screen. Don't forget, if you guys want to show love and support and buy me a beer, go to Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description below, and it's all greatly appreciated. If you guys want to send me a beer, which says a coffee, just leave me a note with what kind of beer that you want me to look for and do a review here on the channel. Or you could totally join the channel membership for either $3 a month for a Buy Me a Beer a month, or Buy Me a 6-pack a month for $10. All that love is greatly supported and appreciated, and blah de blah blah. Now, anyway, let's jump into packet stream. Okay, we got our account back. Now, you guys might notice this if you've been with packet stream and you've done a withdrawal. You probably won't see this screen. You will see the actual packetstream.io website working, but when you click on dashboard, you won't be able to get to your dashboard. So the first thing we're going to do on video is we are going to withdraw our $10.20. We're going to attempt to withdraw our $10.20, and then later on this evening, while we're playing Call of Duty, just like what happened last week to us when we went to see if we were still able to check on our account and how much data we were selling, it went to that white screen. So we're going to do that right now. withdraw, because that's what we send to our PayPal. And now you can see here that we are at a 0 balance. Now, another thing that's happened when we were going crazy after our first withdrawal, we made $27 in 1 week, and I'm going to show you that withdrawal request here in just a second. We had like 250 gigabytes of traffic sold within a 14-day time frame. I was excited. Those numbers were insane, and we're selling those at 10 cents a gig, so 250 gigs was about $25. Also, there was a little bit of a boost. I mean, that was not just those 7 days, but that was in that 14-day spread of the first 2 weeks that I got into the platform. There also was some kickback from referrals with you guys selling your data, so it was more of like maybe $18 worth of sold data within the course of a week, with an additional $7 on top from referrals. So it wasn't fully 250 gigs in a 7-day period. That was just in a 14-day period. Okay, so with that out of the way, we're going to go down here and move my fat head out of the way, and this is our traffic sold, and this is by date. You can see here that on our peak days, we had 20 gigabytes of traffic sold 2 days in a row. That's a $4 day, and that's a $4 day. And that's just showing that you don't need referrals if this platform was legit to make a solid, steady passive income. In one video, I guesstimated about $1.45, $1.50 a day, but these numbers were blowing that guesstimation out of the water. 20 gigabytes. Then this one's 11.3, so that was a $1.13 day. This was just under 10 gigabytes. This one was over 10 gigabytes. That was a $1.39 day. And then we've got another almost $2 day, and we were selling some monster gigs. So on November 4th, we did our payment request for $27. Then we got our account banned and suspended, but we still had a little bit of sold. And then we managed to get it back by flooding them with emails and data. We sent it to their help desk, we sent it to their sales team, and we're going to send it to their support team as well. They then come back, and I have the email chain to this. We'll show it on screen here in a second. And then they said your account is unsuspended. Awesome. I was very excited. I did not get my $27 payout request, and then I did not get another bonus from an email that I'll show here on screen in just a moment as well, being fully blown freaking transparent as I possibly can. So now today is November 10th, and you could see down here where I normally have myself that we are at 0 data sold, 0 data sold, 0 data sold, 0 data sold, 0 data sold. I don't know if maybe that's something that's going on. Maybe I have to reinstall something new on my Juicy D miner. Actually, I probably should get with Juicy to take a look at that for me. But as of my account being unsuspended, we have been at 0 activity, and that's been pissing me off. So let's go ahead and move myself back here, and we're going to go into the emails. Now, what I'm also going to showcase here real quick is Honeygain, which you guys can click on the link below. This is truly steady. This pays out in an actual cryptocurrency, the Jump Task token. But the reason why I'm showing Honeygain is because we've sold about, where's all that data that we've sold? We've only sold about 12.5 gigabytes of data in the past, like just shy of a month. We've been using this platform for a little bit more than a month, and we've already earned ourselves decent. But anyway, we're showing this because if you go down to here, you can see my active devices. I only have one active device, and I'm assuming that all of you guys under my referral pool have one active device as well that are currently seeing the ban. And then you're getting an email back from PacketStream, and they're saying we're seeing 2 devices on your network, blah, blah, blah. Now, you know that I showed all those other platforms like the peer-to-peer earning, and we could talk about those at another date. The Earn app, the Pawn app, all of that will consistently show one device and one Docker. So I'm wondering if multiple apps and platforms might be triggering PacketStream. So that could be an opportunity, but we'll never know at the end of the day because they're not responding. I also hit them up on Twitter. They're not taking direct messages on Twitter, but they are, you know, getting tweets. So I also would recommend tweeting, which I'm going to tweet and at them when I post this video to YouTube. So let's jump to our emails with them. So this all started with my email I sent this email twice. I sent it to their help desk, which is going to be help@packetstream.io, and then sales@packetstream.io. And I'm actually going to add support@packetstream.io just because I found that in this email right here, support@packetstream.io. We're going to overload the crap out of them because I want my account back. If this is a legit company and they're legitimately paying, first off, I want my $27. Second off, I want a passive income stream because this was insane. Anyway, I sent them this email. It seems I can't access my account, blah, blah, blah. Here's my referral link. Last time I checked, I had 31 referrals. If it's a situation where my referrals are triggering the ban, I understand. But also here, I'm a YouTuber, so that makes sense why I'm getting referrals. I'm shilling your platform on my channel, and people are clicking on my link. Here's proof. Here's proof. that's pretty much in a nutshell what I sent in the email. You can screenshot or you can pause the screen for a moment and read that yourself. I'm just paraphrasing it out. So then I got this email like a little bit later saying, hey, Nerdy Dude, promo credits have been added to your packet stream account. And I was like, thank you, but I can't get into my account. And so then when I actually finally got into my account and went to look at my amount and balances, I didn't get any credits added to my account. When they gave me my account back, I had like $6. I had like, actually, I think it was like $4.34 in there. So I was like, hey, I didn't get any promo credits, but whatever. So then this one, what is this email actually? Let's see what this email was. Is this support? Oh, this is help@packetstream.io. Okay, so then they go, hello, I have escalated your issue to management for review. Okay, great. And that was on November 6th at 9:32 a.m. And then I respond back at 11:38. Thank you. I sent some emails with my links to my YouTube channel and videos I recorded showing my account, selling data in the referrals. I have a YouTube channel with 22,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, like this video. And I'm gaining referrals very quickly. I have one device only, and I'm thinking the referral growth may have triggered a ban. Fair point. Trying to be logical here. Just trying to benefit of the doubt, transparent, logical. Hello, our management team has reviewed your account and has been unsuspended. Awesome. Thank you. I checked and I can access my dashboard again, but I haven't received my payout request from Thursday 11/3 for $27.34. See screenshot from my YouTube video or the promotional credits like the email sent to me stated. Screenshots also provided. I plan to drive a lot of traffic to Planet Stream and do videos weekly. True story. All right, so here's our cash out, $27.34. I did that. I submitted that, and then I submitted this email to them as well. No response, radio silence. Thank you for helping unsuspend my account. And I sent this one on, where is it? I have to move my fat head. I sent this one on Tuesday, 2 days ago, saying thank you for unsuspending my account, but now it appears I am not selling any data and I have still not received my payout request from last week. And then this morning I sent another one just following up on the below before I record today's video. Like, maybe that would have put some pep in their step. I didn't be threatening or anything. I just said, hey, I want to record a video, and I want to get that out there. So I don't really need to show this anymore. So that's typically it. And they're not getting any response. And all the reviews are saying, I would not recommend. They don't even tell you that you've been banned. You have to find out. I just had this program installed like 4 days max, and they're sure used my data and sold it, I'm sure, but didn't pay me anything and banned me. Also, the app will keep running. And essentially, they will keep stealing your data. All the data they got from me was not paid. It was stolen. Not recommended. Scam. Avoid this company. Blah, 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 blah. Now, I know that Juicy is kind of like trying to garner up some more information to maybe like do like a class action against them. And I think that's kind of in the boat that we're going just because of the lack of, communication, the lack of guidelines, the lack of everything. So I do encourage you guys, if you're going through the same shenanigans and, crap that we're all going through, to bombard them. They've got an address right here. Actually, I want to look up their address. So let's go ahead and pull over a Buy Me the Coffee screen real quick, just in case I have any personal data pop up. And we're going to do this live, and I am going to Google Maps their address. And then if it's anything, I'm going to pull it up on screen. So just bear with me 1 second. I'm not even going to do a jump cut on this one. I am typing the actual address, number 13308, SMB 4609. Los Angeles, California, 90013. So let's see what this actually is over here. And I think I can pull it over. Let's go with Mapas. Do we have a street view? Kind of want to see what facilities they're working on. It says it's in the historic district. So let's go over here. Let's pull this back up. So this is their address. Let's see if there's a street view. United States Postal Service, The Real Los Angeles Tours, Green Beans Bookkeeping, Lillian, Jacobs Wellness. This is all stuff that's located on 506 Spring Street, which we can see right there. Let's take a look and see if we can do like a street view. Okay, all right. So that's the address. Those apartment buildings. Butler Box at the Lofts at Security Building. Is this an apartment complex? This kind of looks like an apartment complex stacked on top of like a residential center. So maybe this is really just some dude out of his house in an apartment complex. Like, what is exactly... I think number 13308 would be the 13th floor, unit 308 or something like that. If my knowledge... I don't think there's 13 floors. There might be 13 floors. If my knowledge of buildings is the same. This might... The Los Angeles Theater Center, the Real Los Angeles Tours, the Lofts at Security Building Apartments. So this address is some dude's apartment. That's what Packet Stream is, according to the address on file. And you can find that address under contacts right here, SMB 4609. I don't know. Interesting stuff. So very peculiar. But anyway, that's about it. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. Like I said at the start of the video, luckily the Juicy Miner, this isn't the primary function of it. I'm going to put miner in quotes there so that way someone can just rage me in the comments below. But luckily, that's not one of the main primary functions of these devices because they are the decentralized cloud storage providers for the SCP project. And then something like being able to potentially earn, you know, $100 to $130 extra a month just from putting this little app from PacketStream on there is really, really nice icing on the cake. So I'm going to continue to harass and send them the emails because I really want to get to the bottom of this if it's going to be a legit like project and there is some kind of flaw in their banning algorithm, like benefit of the doubt here, or if they truly are just stealing data and putting these numbers up on the screen. Because it's not like we have to invest or put like, you know, oh, I want to sell data, but here's a $100 a month, you know, membership or anything. It's literally just like install, data, sell. So are they just banning these accounts while continuing to run this app on those devices and sell that data and make a pure profit? Because still, there's really, what would be the motivation to do that? I understand there's people out there that are going to sell data from multiple devices and scam their, you know, their terms and conditions. But if they're still getting the data and the product to sell and there's still a demand for that data, I don't see what the harm in that is. Is it taking advantage of the system? I don't necessarily think so. Like the way my head works is that if, you know, there's a huge demand for bananas, but then some company says you can only have one banana tree in your yard. But if I put 2 banana trees in my yard and both of those trees still sell out of bananas, like what's the harm in that? What am I taking advantage of? Am I missing something? Am I not connecting the dots there? I don't know. Leave a comment below on that. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, all that good YouTube stuff. I'm O'Price, and we'll see you guys next time.